Enlightenment awaits, and it's just a flash away. What's the enlightening question of the day?
Homemade soup can be stored in the refrigerator for up to 3 to 4 days. To ensure the best quality and safety, keep the soup in an airtight container and reheat it thoroughly before consuming. If you wish to keep it longer, consider freezing the soup, which can extend its shelf life for several months.
Our quest for knowledge never ends. Thanks for being part of today's discovery. Subscribe, like, and share to join us on the next one.